Howdy everyone. Today in this video, I will walk you through step by step method how you can use dictate feature in Microsoft Outlook. If you are Office 365 user, you have a new feature which is dictate. When you create an email or you want to reply or forward an email, you will get a new option in the message tab which is dictate. This feature work as a speech to text. When you speak anything, it will automatically convert your voice to the text in your message body. It will also take care of some other things which are auto punctuation and few sensitive phases. So I will show you how it works. First of all, to enable it, all you have to do is to click on the message tab, and in the voice section you will have a dictate. You can also use alt apostrophe sign to enable it. So I will show you. When I click on this dictate, a small section here appears which consists of a mic, settings, and it's already typing. I have to disable the mic. Now the settings. The settings consist of spoken language. By default, English is a global language. So Outlook would automatically consider as English. And I am from India, so it's already taken the English from India. You can change it manually according to your requirement. And you can also select the mic. There are few mics options here. I select my mic, which I am already using while recording. And the next option is enable auto punctuations. These are some kind of lines or sentences which we want Outlook to act on it. For example, if I want to change the line, or if I want to add the subject, or if I want to add the email address to the BCC or CC line, this auto punctuation help me out for that. So I have to keep it on always. Now the next option is filter sensitive phases. These sensitive phases, which I have already talking about, some kind of lines which in general language we can use with our friends, but in a professional way or in an official language, you want to avoid these lines or phrases. So that will help you out to remove or indicate you that there is some sensitive phrases you have spoken. Simply hit save. Now I will show you how it works. So I have enabled the mic, and what I am saying right now is already typing. So if I want to change the line, for instance, I have two options. One is new paragraph. My cursor automatically changes the line. And I have also another option which is new line. Again, you will see my cursor changes. There is two differences. If I say new line, the paragraph would be the same, and if I say new paragraph, system automatically changes the paragraph, and you can see the basic difference of both the paragraphs. This is a very cool feature. Now change paragraph, new paragraph, add Rene power to BCC line. Now you can see I have spoken the email address of Rene Power, and it automatically added in the BCC line. Similarly, I can say add Rene Power to CC line. See, again it will changes to the CC line. And I have also one option which is very great. If I want to remove or delete a specific word or line, I can do that also. Delete. I can also remove the word by saying backspace. So there is another difference in both of them. If I say backspace, that means it will remove only the one alphabet. And when I say delete, it will remove the entire word. Now I want to add the subject line. So that my subject would be marketing meeting. So I have to say change the subject line to marketing meeting. And you will see the subject line marketing meeting is added in the subject. Not only that, you can very easily disable your mic or disable this feature dictate. You only have to say pause dictation. See, just like that, your dictation is disabled now. So you have to restart your dictation if you want to type something else. Not only that, you can very easily send the email using your speech to text feature. You only have to say this and your mail will be sent to your recipient. Send this email. So now the final confirmation is the system is asking you whether you want to send it, say yes or cancel. Yes. See, the system is asking me, I have to enter the subject, which I have intentionally removed because I don't want the mail to be sent. This is the final pop-up message. I have to enter the subject, so I just intentionally removed it to show you people that when I say send this message and after that I have to say yes. That means this is the final confirmation and the message will be sent to my recipient. Let's take few examples of punctuation symbol. For instance, full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, colon, semicolon, open bracket, close bracket, open brace, close brace, backslash, forward slash, paragraph sign. There are few others. For instance, copyright sign, registered sign, degree symbol, and many more. You can very easily use these punctuation symbols while you are speaking. That will automatically convert your symbol text into a real symbol. Not only that, you can also use sensitive phrases into Outlook. In case if you speak some kind of word or phrase which is not professional and which is not good to send to your recipient through an email. For instance, yesterday I ordered cookie in the restaurant and it tastes really a bullshit. So you have seen I have said bullshit. This word will be replaced by Microsoft Outlook as a sensitive phrase. This is also an indicator that before sending this email, I have to replace this phrase with a proper and accurate word which look professional to my recipient. I hope you like this video. This is a very interesting feature of Microsoft Outlook. And not only in Microsoft Outlook, this feature works in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.